Most affiliate websites revolve around selling pre-decorated retail products, in which the affiliate has taken a blank product, added their artwork to it, and designated as either personalizable, customizable, or completely non-editable, so that the customer can then choose maybe the product color and at least the size and make the purchase. Now, the decorated product listing acts a lot like the blank product listing, in which if we drag it onto the page, we're going to list products, and these products are going to revolve, like I said, around retail pre-decorated products that we've created in the administrative section of the website. So we can choose, first of all, how we want the products to display and exactly what categories. So right now our categories are example and t-shirts. So we could choose just to show one of these categories if we wanted to, or all of them. We can list all of the products, featured, latest, most, or highly voted. Again, sometimes you're going to use the decorated product listing to list all of the products. Sometimes you're pushing sale items or something specific on a specific page. So at any point we can choose exactly what category and list display we want to do, and then how we want them to actually display as well. When it comes to displaying categories as tabs, that allows us to add different tabs up here to make navigating a larger pre-decorated product line much easier. We can come to the plus and add our different tabs and choose which categories we're trying to represent, and again, just make it easier on our customers to navigate, but at the moment, not exactly what we need to worry about. Just like every other widget, we can control the layout and the background properties. The layout, primarily what you would maybe use, is the spacing. So we don't have many products, so the product, we're not worried about the spacing too much, but if I shrink this area, and then I come in to, let's actually align it center. So it's really nice with this widget, when it's within the row, you can choose exactly what width you want it to be, and it automatically resize itself and how many products can be listed to give you an idea. But another thing you're going to worry about is the spacing. So you can see the space between these products. By default, it's like a medium, but if I come to like extra large, it's going to space them out a little bit more. It's going to all be about what aesthetics you're looking for. We'll make it large. Majority of your editing for this widget, though, is going to revolve around the actual design portion. So, again, we'll open it up, design. First, we have the thumbnail size. So how big do we want each of our pre-decorated product images to be? Let's make it 250, a little bit bigger, but we don't have that many products to worry about. And again, I can expand it, and now I've got them all back on one row. The panel title itself, we don't have it enacted, but it would be right above here. So we'll just do test panel, and I can again change the font color and so forth with that. The panel design, so we have our product here, but we can display more than just the product. So we can show the product prices below, and I can choose, okay, what color do I want it to be, the size and the weight. So give it a little bit of thickness, increase the line height, gives it more spacing, and we could give it any color we want. So we'll just drag there, make it red. Okay, product sizes, let's show them below. And product colors, we'll show them on image, on rollover. And product rollover behavior, let's show the design. So, and I'll hit OK to demonstrate this. So when I hover over it, it's just going to show the design itself, which if you have a bunch of different pieces of artwork, it's great. If it's all the same artwork, then it's not as necessary. Come back in here within design, and so the whole product itself includes the image, the price, and the sizing. That is all within the panel design. So if we come to panel design, we could essentially give it a background color. We'll make it actually not black because we are black. Give it a dark gray. And it's actually around the entire background of this image as well, if we want it to be. And let's give it a border. As you can see, you have a lot of capabilities of exactly how you want to display the retail products themselves. And then just like the blank or the decorated product listing, we have something called decorated product categories. So instead of listing individual products themselves, we can list the categories of these products. So I'm going to drag it into here. And right now we have example and t-shirts. So those are our two different product categories. What I'm going to do right now, we're in a 2-row. I'm going to drag this over so that this is essentially left-hand navigation. And let's drag this widget down so we could be listing our decorated products here, but then having our categories listed here. And the categories themselves can be changed based on a hierarchy listing, drop-down list, grid, masonry, or just really any way you can imagine listing the categories. Just like we could with the listing, we can choose, okay, how big do we want the thumbnails to be? Make them a little bit smaller. We can show the category name. Let's show that above. The number of items, let's show that below. And just worry about that for now. Click OK. Shrink that in, and there you go. So the decorated product category settings, it allows us to, again, list the different categories of these decorated products listings, just to make navigating everything much easier. And by sometimes having this left-hand navigation, it really does make things easier as far as navigation. Hopefully you find this video on decorated product listings and decorated product categories helpful. Thank you for watching.